Welcome, dear friends. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the world's most incredible natural wonders? Imagine standing amidst the grandeur of towering mountains, feeling the mist from cascading waterfalls, or diving into the crystal-clear waters of hidden lakes. Backpacking is the gateway to making these dreams a reality. With just a backpack on your shoulders, you unlock a world where every day is an adventure. Every path leads to discovery, and every moment is a step closer to nature. The essence of backpacking. Backpacking is more than just a way of travel. It's a journey of self-discovery and connection. It strips away the complexities of modern life, leaving you with the essentials and the beauty of Mother Nature. This minimalist approach to exploration allows for an unparalleled sense of freedom. You're not just a visitor. You become part of the landscape, moving at the rhythm of the sun and the stars. Experiencing natural wonders. The planet is dotted with natural wonders waiting to be explored. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping in the lush forests of Costa Rica, where the dense canopy overhead is alive with life. Or picture yourself in the serene silence of the Grand Canyon under a blanket of stars, the vastness of the universe making your worries seem trivial. Each destination offers a unique experience, from the rugged trails of Patagonia, where glaciers and mountains dominate the horizon, to the tranquil beauty of the Norwegian fjords, where waterfalls cascade into crystal-clear waters below. The adventure of every day. Backpacking transforms every day into a new adventure. It could be as exhilarating as conquering a challenging mountain peak or as peaceful as finding a secluded spot by a mountain lake to reflect and meditate. It's about the unexpected discoveries along the trail, the hidden waterfalls, and the quaint villages where life moves at a slower pace. Each step is a story, each destination a chapter in the grand adventure of life. Connecting with nature and people. One of the most profound aspects of backpacking is its deep connection with nature and people. Immersing yourself in the natural world, you begin to understand the delicate balance of life and our role in preserving it. The simplicity of living out of a backpack teaches you to appreciate the small things, the beauty of a sunset or the tranquility of a forest at dawn. Along your journey, you'll meet fellow travelers and locals with their own stories and dreams. These connections are the heart of backpacking, creating a community bound by a love for adventure and exploration. Sharing stories around a campfire or helping each other through challenging trails, these friendships often last a lifetime. Preparing for your journey. Preparation is vital before you set out. Selecting the right gear, planning your route, and understanding the environment you'll be entering are crucial steps. Your backpack is your lifeline, containing everything you need to thrive in the wilderness. Packing light yet effectively is an art, choosing versatile and durable gear. Learning basic survival skills, respecting wildlife, and practicing leave no trace principles ensure that you enjoy your journey and protect the places you visit. The world is a tapestry of natural wonders, each thread woven with the promise of adventure and discovery. Backpacking invites you to experience this world in its most raw and beautiful form. It challenges you, changes you, and enriches your soul with memories that last a lifetime. So why wait? The natural wonders of the world are calling. Grab your backpack, embrace the spirit of adventure, and explore. Every mountain, forest, and river holds a story waiting to be a part of yours. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of backpacking. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, inspiration, and guides to fuel your wanderlust. Until next time, go and explore the beauty that awaits.